In this video, I'll show you how to share a job posting on LinkedIn. All right, it's pretty easy to do. Say, for example, you go ahead over to your notifications right here and you've seen a share post button. All right, just go ahead and click on that and follow the simple process and hit on post. Once done, it will be added to your profile or in your wall. All right. If not, just go ahead and click on post that you wanted to share. All right. For example, write maybe this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on this icon, which is a share icon. I'm going to click on it and you have a ton of options right here. It could be repost to feed, which is basically the thing that I told you earlier. All right. Or send in as a message to your connections right here on LinkedIn. All right. Say, for example, I wanted to repost this one to a feed or to my feed. I'm just going to go ahead over and put my description right here. My friend needs, for example, a voiceover artist. When you hit on post, it will be posted on your wall and everybody will see it. Once a person is interested, it's just going to want to click on view job right here. And this page will show. All right, going back, another way to share is just by hitting on send in as a message. Go ahead and select your connections right here. For example, this guy, I'm going to click on it and just hit on send. All right, another option is by just copying the link. Say, for example, you have other messaging apps installed, or it could be email. Just go ahead and open up your emailing service and hit on compose. And here, to the person, for example, my wife right here, then hit on subject, apply. Then I'm going to post the link right here and hit on send. All right. And that's basically how you share a job posting on LinkedIn. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.